Alright, what's up guys, it's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, back again with another quick review. Unlike the other videos like on clothes, today I'm going to do a little something different. I'm going to show you guys how to install the black lettering on your car. For example, I have the blackouts for my Camry, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So here's the letters, the symbol, and the model, the XSE. So let's get into that. Alright, so we got our letters. So step one easily is rubbing alcohol, microfiber towel, and then we're going to clean the lettering and the symbol on our car. It's going to be really easy, so we'll show you guys do that. We already peeled off the red tape on the back, so all we have to do is just press. And now we're going to do that with the rest of the car. Alright. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Just want to let you know that there is the link in the description below for the product itself. Also down below, share your thoughts, what you think about it. You like the original or do you like it afterwards with the blackouts? Also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it, especially starting up this whole thing again. And also always gotta follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all at Justin Too Fast for you. But it is Justin Too Fast for you. So try to keep up. Deuces.